Realization of Paramatma, or super self, as Prabhupada says, by the individual self is the beginning of self-realization. And by the progress of such self-realization, one is able to realize the Supreme Personality of Godhead by intelligence. So first we realize Paramatma, that God is in my heart, that He's guiding me, helping me, giving me intelligence, knowledge, discrimination. And then we can realize it by studying Shastra that He's only a partial representative of the supreme aspect of Godhead, Sri Krishna. By the help of authorized scriptures and by the grace of the Lord, we can realize Krishna. The Lord can award one a vast amount of intelligence and spiritual realization, or He can give none at all. If one wishes to attain the greatest amount of both, intelligence and spiritualization, he should hope to inspire the Lord to become inclined to award him the greatest amount of grace. In other words, Krishna will give the realization, and Krishna will give the intelligence. But who does He give that realization intelligence to? Any Tom, Dick, and Harry? Yes, He gives it to someone. Usually we give gifts to our friends or our dear ones. We don't just give gifts indiscriminately. At least firstly we give to our dear ones and near ones, and then we have excess, and we fully satisfied our nearest beloveds, then we may distribute on a broader basis to anyone outside of our family circle. But Krishna says, those that are dear to me, that I'm very kind to them, the priyatams. Priyosime. Krishna tells Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita, because you're my friend, Priya Saka. And because you're my friend, you're dear to me, I will give you this knowledge. So this is the point. When we become dear to the Lord by our behavior, by our surrender, by our submission, by our attachment, by our love. You become dear to someone by love. If you love someone, then you serve them and submit to them and try to please them, then you attract their heart and win their affection and capture their attention. So Krishna is a supreme person, so He has these personal attributes. He even says it, he lets it open. It's an open secret that Krishna can be controlled by love.